Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Thanks so much for joining me. You already know you're part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. We'd be very grateful to have you. It costs you nothing. You just have to hit the subscribe button. It's free 99. Zip, zilch, zero. It costs you nothing. But I'm not here to pressure you. If you like the video and at the end you're like, okay, I'm rocking with her, you can hit the subscribe button. If not, we still love you anyway. Over here, I normally do anything budgeting. I have a hybrid system. Some is digital on Google Sheets and some is cash based. And if any of that interests you, like I said, you can hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the notification bell if you're not getting notified. Today's video is a little bit different, but it's still on the budgeting tip. Actually, whoever doesn't have Fetch, my link is down below. And Maryfield, so you need to just be scanning your receipts. Fetch is basically a program where any receipt you get, gas, groceries, clothing, anything you buy, you can scan in a receipt. You get a minimum currently of 25 points. And I say currently in quotes because initially it was 50 and then it went down to 25 points. Lord knows what it'll be next. So at some point they used to have a program where you get your 25 points and once every 24 hours you could click a little button and you could earn some extra points from like 5 to 1,000 or something like that. Now they've switched that out to a gaming system now where you can download certain games that they have a list of on your phone to play and get points. So I just wanted to give it a try. So this is the next footage you're going to see is me going through that play system and seeing how it works. And then I did get a notification. I played for like maybe 2 minutes and I got a notification telling me that I got 43 points. And that game was kind of fun, so I'll keep playing and see how many points I can rack up, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if there's like a daily limit because with some of these apps, they'll only allow you to scan a certain amount of receipts per day and things like that. So I don't know if there's a daily limit as to how many points you can get. Keep in mind, you will be downloading an app to your phone, so storage and whatever. But I just wanted to make you guys aware that there is now another way on Fetch to earn more points, y'all. These points that you earn do translate over to gift cards if you're new to the system. So let's say you have 25,000 points, 26,000 points. That usually equates to about a $25 gift card, and that's for different places like Amazon. They used to have Airbnb, but I think they took that off. But I think Uber is on there. I think Reebok, like things like that, all the different places, Ulta, Sephora, I think all of them are on there. Don't quote me. I usually only get Amazon gift cards and like once to my local grocery store, but definitely check it out. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me show you my experience with this new feature on Fetch. Bye. All right, guys, so all I did was open up my Fetch app and click on the play button that you saw there. Then this is what comes out. Fetch play. Then you hit the browse games and you have to accept a few things. Collect your rewards, activate now button. And you allow permission to Fetch to talk to your phone. Then you're going to get a list of games which you can choose from to play now. So it looks like with this tile game, you can get 43 points per minute and you can only get a total of 2,771 points per playing this game. I just chose this tile game. I didn't even look at all the games. I just wanted to start something. It does look like there's a limit of how many. So it seemed like that one you had up to 27,000. You do have to install the app or the game on your phone. I skipped this play pass thing. I don't want that. And then of course you have to go through the game. Once it's installing, then I hit play, and then it shows you how to play the game. So you see there, I played about 2 rounds just to see if I could rack up some points. And eventually I did get a notification that I had made 43 points. And I went and checked my notification, and there I had played games and got 43 points. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, Bye! Jazz hands. Love you, mean it, boy.